Hello, this is Julia Knoll for acrylicpouring.com. Today I'm going to share a new technique with you, the acrylic skin stickers. This technique is my own invention and it will open a new world of creative possibilities for you. You will create a self-adhesive design that makes embellishing objects extremely easy. This allows you to decorate surfaces that would be impossible to cover with the acrylic pouring technique alone. In this video I will show you how you can easily use this technique to create your own acrylic skin sticker. And as an example I will also show you how to use your acrylic skin sticker for a book cover like this. But first of all, what is an acrylic skin? Normally acrylic skins are created by the leftover paint that drips from your canvas while you do the actual painting. This leftover paint dries to a thin, flexible plastic layer like this one. But you can also create acrylic skins to use them as a piece of art by itself. Now we come to the technique. For the acrylic skin stickers you need a flexible self-adhesive surface. I've tried a lot of different things, like transparent foils with patterns, metallic foils and protection foils for cars. But I want to show you the easiest and cheapest way. I use contact paper, which you normally use to cover books like school books. It's thinner than the others and more flexible. It's also much cheaper and easier to work with. But you have to prepare it in a special way before painting, otherwise the paint comes off after drying or won't stick from the beginning. We will start by taping the sides on a stiff surface like a piece of wood or a cardboard. The shiny part of the contact paper should be on top. You can see how it reflects the light. Now gently roughen the surface with sandpaper. The shiny surface shouldn't reflect the light anymore, it should look dull. After that, put 2 coatings of acrylic color mixed with pouring medium as a base layer for your painting. Let it dry between the coatings. Now you can use it like a normal canvas and start to pour the paint. All techniques are possible. In my experience, the swipe technique works best. It leads to a very thin sticker in the end. For this piece I begin with covering the surface with a black paint mixture. Don't torch the surface too much, you could damage the sticker. At this point I'm using some metal pigment. Here you can see the swipe technique. I'm adding some drops of red acrylic ink. And again some golden pigment. For more patterns you can use a palette knife. Then let it dry and clean the surface from silicone oil rests with a sponge, water and some dishwashing liquid. Now you can use the acrylic skin sticker to cover almost everything. As an example, I show you how to create a personalized book cover. Cut the sticker in the size you need, then cover the front and the back of the book. I like to use a piece of cardboard in between so the cover looks a bit thicker. Cut the foil to cover the edges of the little window. I put a second layer of transparent contact paper around the other to protect it against wetness and mechanical stress. Here's another book cover. That's how the finished pieces look like. Now you've got a unique photo book or a sketchbook. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you've enjoyed this new technique. If you're interested in more information about the acrylic skin stickers, just take a look at my YouTube channel, Acrylic Skin Sticker. There's also a book available with more ideas about how to use this technique. This has been Julia Knoll for acrylicpouring.com. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about the acrylic skin stickers, please leave a comment. Have fun with creating your own designs.